The success or failure of any gym hinges upon one thing: memberships, because that's the guaranteed revenue that keeps the gym alive. Now, in the last 18 months, Dubai has become completely saturated with new gyms, and because of this, we've all got a load of different membership options available. Now, on its face, this seems like a great thing, but there's just one slight problem. The overwhelming majority of all gym memberships are a complete and utter waste of your money.
I tried many things, running, gyms, and it doesn't work at all.
I've been to so many gyms, story of my life. It's just not the same.
I was going to the gym for months. I saw no change.
I've been in Dubai for 19 years. I have been in almost every single gym over there. I never get that result.
I used to go to the gym. I used to be one of those losers picking up weights and flexing my muscles in front of the mirror. Wasn't working.
We have this deeply ingrained psychological link between the gym membership and better health. But all a gym membership does is give you access to a room, nothing more. It doesn't guarantee you're actually going to visit that room. And if you do, that doesn't guarantee you're actually going to work hard when you get there. And if you do, that doesn't mean you're actually going to go and eat the right food that allows any work you may have done to actually take effect. Circuit Factory is a different animal. We ensure you work hard in class, and we have a huge food ecosystem that ensures you eat well outside of class. Because of that, we get results unlike anything else out there. So ask yourself a question: what exactly do you want? Do you want access to a room filled with shiny, expensive toys? Or do you actually want results? This January, Circuit Factory for the first time is introducing a membership scheme. This is going to give people affordable access to a world-class fitness service with one key difference from the traditional gym membership.
I've lost about 9.5 pounds.
6 kilos.
I needed to lose a lot of pounds, and I've done that, and I'm absolutely delighted.
13.6 pounds.
All my clothes, 9 point something. I lost almost everything.
Better than I could have possibly wished for. Life-changing.